Welcome to Ready for the Road. If this is your first time here, click Guided Tour. If you've been here before, just jump back in where you left off. Introduction. You can work through all of the give way rules using the back and next arrows, or go straight to a rule on the list. If you just want to do the give way activities, click Test Yourself.
Drag the correct word to each intersection. Well done! You know your intersections.
Drag the road signs to the correct spots. Well done! You know your signs and road lines at controlled intersections.
In what order do the cars go round the roundabout? 1. Car A, B, then C. 2. Car B, C, then A. 3. Car C and A, then B. 4. Car B, A, then C. Correct. Car A, B, then C. Car A is on the roundabout, so it goes first. Car B goes second. Once car A has passed, and then car C goes third after both cars have passed.
A bus is stopped at a bus stop just ahead of you and has this sign displayed. The bus is signalling right. What must you do? 1. Give way to the bus, allowing it to move off in front of you. 2. Slow down to 40 km per hour and give way to pedestrians only. 3. Continue ahead at the speed limit providing it is safe. 4. Flash your headlights to warn the bus driver that you are overtaking. Correct. Give way to the bus, allowing it to move off in front of you. You must give way to buses pulling out if the speed limit of the road is less than 70 km per hour. Good work! You know the give way rules now. Choose another road rule to learn.